In this short video, I'd like to talk about how to cut and stitch UV faces. Also, like how to unfold and manipulate the rotation and optimize the UV mapping. So now we can see we have a cube here because we have these texture borders on, so we can see where are the seams. I'm going to apply UV automatic projector on this cube. So we have these 6 shells placed inside of this all this 0 to 1 area. Now I'm going to ask you to follow me to sew these 6 shells together as one shell. First, let's right-click, go to Edge mode, and we can select an edge and shift select more. That's it. 4 edges. See, 4 edges. And now we can go to this custom sew area. Let's stitch together. Why stitch together but not sew? Let's try sew first. See, if you do sew, it wouldn't move the shell, it would stretch the shell. So let's Command Z and try stitch together. Now we have this straight stitch together cubes because we've selected the edges this way, see in this order. Now we can select possibly these 2 edges, so these 2, and stitch together again. Boom. Now the job is done. We can go to UV shell work. We can turn on these 2 icons. Now I can move my shell into the 0 to 1 area. R, make it smaller. And W, move it down. That's it. Yep. Now you possibly want to know what if I made a mistake, right? So we can go to Edge mode. For example, we can see where are the seams and where are the joined lines. So for example, this one, what if I made a mistake here? Rather than stitch this face here, I actually want to move it down and stitch it to this edge. So what we can do is we can select the edge, and inside of UV editor, use Shift X. That's cut. Yeah. Now our face mode, and now we can actually move this face now. So if this one is stitched, if we move it, we can compare the differences. However, if we go to Edge mode and select maybe this edge, we can go to stitch together. Now the job is done. And another way to cut something is we can go to Edge mode, select this. We can go to here, this button, cut. Now we can go to face mode. Now again, it's cut. Now we can use Command Z because we're happy with what we've done here. Now I'd like to talk about optimize. For example, we have this sphere here and we have this UV map here, which is default. We can do right click, go to face mode, select these faces, and we can go to this unfold drop down area. We can optimize. See, optimize can relax our UV map like this. Okay. And we can also go to unfold. Unfold would unfold all the angle faces and make sure everything is flat. Now we can go to UV shell, select the whole thing, and R to make the shell smaller. Then also go to UV face. We can select some faces And we can also, this is just purely showing you what you can do in transform. We can rotate these faces. Look, if you don't select the faces on either end, you will have this stretch and distortion. So that's not what we want. That's it. Thanks for watching.